from Constable Neil Bruce Middle School. I teach math here at C&B. I wanted to talk to you guys about increasing my students' achievement on math tests. So what I used to do was I'd had kids come in, we'd do a review, and then we'd move on to a test. After I finished a unit, I'd do a review, and then I'd test. And I always let kids rewrite on tests, because if they didn't do so well, they could rewrite the test to achieve higher. The problem I found with this was, number one, I had students would show up ill-prepared, not know what the test would be about, and secondly, they just show up not studied so that they could do the rewrite, see what's on the test, and then do the rewrite anyways to achieve what they wanted. So this system really wasn't working for me, although it was being promoted by the district. So I decided I wanted to change it a little bit. So what I decided to do was, instead of running a test first, I went to a pretest model. Now what happens is the pretest, the kids come in, they separate their desks, they write the pretest exactly like it's an actual test. But at the end of the block, I give them the answers. The following day, we do a review. And this review is first and foremost to do corrections for our pretest, and secondly to get prepared again for the test. At the review, I assigned some students as experts. Those are the students who achieve really high on the pretest. They show me their pretest, and I can tell they're doing what I like to see, that the answers are all correct and they understand all the methods. So the students interact with these experts so that they can see it from somebody else's perspective and get some help with their corrections or their review package. The following day, we do the test. The test is very similar to the pretest in math in that I've only changed the question, the numbers. So instead of 4 times 6, it might be 5 times 8. Same question structure, just a different number. So this is a 3-day process to write this test, rather than a 2-day and then a rewrite. And the kids come in much more prepared and feeling like they know what's going to be on the test. They're not surprised. I do change a couple of the questions completely different, sort of a challenge test to see if they can apply what they understand. And yeah, so it's been great. My achievement has gone really high, especially with my mid-range students. My C+B students are going quite a bit higher. The amount of students I actually have coming in to do rewrites has dramatically dropped. It's only a few students who have to come in. So I think it's been a really successful way to approach testing in mathematics.